Hello YouTube. Today I got a Penney fan off of Craigslist for $5. It is a nice fan and it resembles the brown Galaxy that I have, which you can see in my previous video. But here it is. It does resemble my Galaxy, it's just that it's got a different color emblem, different color blades, different brand obviously, but yeah, it's same different fan. Sorry for shaking the camera. But yeah, here it is. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here's what it looks like on the back. It's got a washer holding the back on. And let's turn it on. Oh shoot, my extension cord's not on. And here it is working. On high, that's on high. This is medium. Here it is on low. And for low speed, let's put it on oscillation. But these, Penney used to sell these back in like the 80s. And they discontinued these also in the 80s or so, maybe 90s. And since then, I don't think I've seen a lot of these. I mean, I think I saw one in a thrift store once when I was really little, but it was likely broken because I didn't get it. So, we're back on high and stop. Alright, so thank you for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Positively comment and positively rate. Negative or hate comments will be deleted and I will block you. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.